Good morning. Got an iced coffee from the food truck. It's so good. The guy roasts his own beans, which is it just tastes so good. Shane has an event all day for work, so I'm alone without a car. I'm gonna go on a walk, go on to the gym. It's pretty cold today though. It's gonna only be like 60 degrees, but it's sunny out, so I definitely need to clean this place, mop the floors, and clean the table outside. But yeah, I definitely have things to do. And I'm just gonna drink my coffee for now, and I may just read my book. I may not. I don't know. But I'll let you know. I just finished breakfast and I made some hot coffee. It's pretty good. I turned off the heat even though it's still only like 50 degrees out, so I think I just wanted something warm to sip on. But now I think I'm going to tackle the disastrous mess. I can show you guys. It's a literal disaster. So this is our, I guess, sitting area. We have all of my stuff there. My laptop's out, my iPad. We have all these papers out. This is the kitchen. I need to do the dishes and put them away and just tidy up a little bit. Here's the floor. It's not too bad. And then over here is a little bit of a disaster as well. So yeah, I obviously have a lot of work to do. And so I'm gonna start off with picking everything up. And then I really need to vacuum and mop the floors. So we'll do that. Tidying up, as you can see. Listen, living in an RV, things are never like spotless and perfectly put away, but everything's off the ground. So I'm actually going to take a little break because I'm getting a little hungry again. But then I'm going to wipe off the counters and then vacuum and mop. And I have the hiccups, which is not making me feel good. Hello. So I just took a break, but I just got out our vacuum cleaner, and so I'm going to start vacuuming now. This is our Milwaukee vacuum cleaner. I love it. Ooh, I need a battery for it. What's this battery at? 2. This will do. So it comes with some attachments, so I'm gonna put the lengthening one and then this attachment on. Cool, so I'm gonna do a time lapse now. Is clean the bathroom sink, so I think I'm just gonna do that later because I'm pretty tired of cleaning. It's been a few hours. Somehow it takes even longer to clean an RV versus like an apartment or a house. I swear, it's so time consuming. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have lunch soon. I guess maybe I'll show you that. I might go on a run or go to the gym. This stays. So it's been a minute. I went on a run. I ran a mile around here. It was really hard. It was so windy, and that's what made me feel bad. And then I took a breather, um, went to the gym here for like 45 minutes, and then I came back here. I just edited the vlog of us driving down here, and it's uploading to YouTube now. It's pretty short. It was only like 5 minutes. And now it's 4:30. I'm thinking about dinner for myself. If I didn't mention before, Shane is gone on a work trip to the villages, which is kind of cool that he went to the villages. But I think I might have steak and zucchini noodles. So that sounds good. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna hang out for now. It's so nice. I have the hatch open and the fan going and the door open. This is how the steak turned out. I wish it was, oh, I just got the juices all over it. I wish it was a little bit crispier, but I did the best I could. And then I made some zoodles, and I just put some pesto in it. The microwave zoodles are not as good as fresh, but fresh would have been a lot of work. So now I just need to find the Parmesan. You guys see stuff there? Oh, that's not a bad angle. So this is something that we brought. We brought our cheese grater. We use it all the time, so it's definitely a must-have in the RV. And I'm just gonna go to town on this because it needs a lot of cheese. Use my scissors to cut the steak because it's pretty thin. That's pretty good. And I'm trying to get my protein in, so that's why I'm having 2 pretty big pieces of steak. And all I did to the steak was add salt, and that was because I didn't want any other seasoning to burn, because I had it cooking so high. And then all of this is going in here. Yeah, that looks pretty good to eat. This is it. I think it looks appetizing. Give you guys a taste test. Some steak and some zucchini.